First, let's work on the pronunciation. SQU sounds like in the word square. The letter A has the ah sound, like in father and wash. And the final SH sounds like in fish and cash. Say the word after me. Squash. The word squash refers to a category of vegetable. The picture shows various types of squash. Squash has a hard exterior, and you eat the inside. The word squash also refers to a specific sport. It's played in a room with two players who have rackets and who hit a small blue ball off the walls. Finally, squash can be a verb, meaning to crush something by applying pressure. In the picture, the person is about to squash a spider with his shoe.